Morning. We are at
Busy Beach.
Beach for the day.
Because it's Thanksgiving today, so
Yeah.
we thought we'd come to water park because we thought it'd be quieter.
Not as busy, yeah. The park's going to be absolutely heaving today.
Well, we don't know that.
Yeah, they will be because all the shops are shut.
Oh yeah,
So
they might be.
yeah, well, it's been busy anyway, so I can't believe it'd be less busy.
Yeah.
So we're just on a bridge over the lazy river. Mate's collecting the leaves. That's his job for the day. These two litter pickers, that's their job for the day. Yeah, and we're sort of like sat just over here, like in a little semicircle area.
We're not on the sand.
We're not on the sand today, no.
Last time we went on the sand, but it was just like kids everywhere.
Yeah, people
As
everywhere.
much as we love kids, we don't want to be around them all the time.
No.
Our kids are grown up now.
Yeah, we've done our bit of kids.
Been there, done that.
Yeah. So we're going to have a move about
now.
today. Yes. Hold on. Yeah, remember to bring the little cover for the battery we're going through, so I'll be taking on some rides today. I don't know how many we're going to do or what we're doing, but I've got it with us today, so hopefully we'll get a chance to take on the rides.
We sit here right by the big pool. Here. It's nice. And by that finish line ride there. Matt's gone to get stuff and then we'll have a little sunbathe in the sun.
I'm just going to go on a ride. Downhill double dip I'm going on. It's got a 15-minute wait time. There the rides on this bit. That's when I'm going to go. Oh, less than 15 minutes. Just going to walk up here. This is the tube you get, sit on. You've got to go up here. There's a queue. So let's up at the top. Here we go. Woo-hoo! That was quick.
I got the water.
Matt's just gone on the chairlifts up to the big Summit Plummet. See if we can capture him on the chairlifts. Here he is. Off the Summit Plummet. Off the Summit Plummet. I think it hurts your bum. Yeah, I heard someone say. Good luck. Good luck. Bye. Comes. Here he goes. Oh my god. Here he goes. How was it?
Really good.
You didn't cross your legs?
Yeah, I did.
You didn't?
Oh, I must have uncrossed them.
Yeah. Was it alright?
Yeah.
Was it scary?
No, not at all.
Matt's just done Summit Plummet.
Yeah.
I would never do it.
It was good. It wasn't scary.
No.
You like it? It's really fast.
I don't like loads of water going in my face.
No, I
though.
went like that though.
Yeah.
Because I heard someone saying it goes up your nose.
Yeah, I don't
I've
like
got a
water
bit
in
of
my
a cold, I
face.
do. So we'll go up there.
No, definitely
Nose,
not.
but you like that, ain't you? So it's like that.
Did ya?
Yeah. Kelly finally got in the water. It's a bit cold for you though. I think it's quite warm, I like it. It's nice.
I'm in the water. Easy river time. Connect. safety speed. Hopefully. Trying to get up the wall. Oh my god, Dave. Go to the side. I'll get out.
Through the middle, do you right?
No. Yeah, I'll get out. Oh. I'm not going through that. That thing is making me wet.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the
Root beer float that's going absolutely everywhere. Matt's got the iridescent.
It's going to drip everywhere in a minute.
Iridescent cone.
Right, going to go on a couple more rides. Well, definitely at least one. Before we go out. It's about 3:30 now in the afternoon, so park shuts in about an hour and a half. So we'll see what we can go on. Here we go. Woohoo! Quite fast. Sun going down on Blizzard Beach. It's been a nice day, nice relaxing day. Really relaxing. At least the sun came out, so we managed to do some sunbathing. Bit lie down. We're just situated just over here. He's just behind that bit of fencing. See if we can see. I doubt we can. Might be able to. No, can't see it. So up there, Summit Plummet, what I went on earlier. Very high when you get up there. Right at the top. But we're not going on there, we're going on the races. Great view park from up here. Hey! Change of plan. I was going on the races. Well, this was before it, so I thought I'd have a go on this. Hee-hee! Probably going to get wet at the end. There's always a waterfall or something. There we go. The end. Hello.
Hello.
Just going to go on one more ride.
Okay.
Now we are going for the last ride, which is the downhill one. I was going to do a minute ago, but I sidetracked onto another one that was nearer. So this will be the last ride of the day, and I'll take you down this one. This is my fast one, I think. I'll see you down the bottom. Here we go. That was fast, lots of water on the screen. That was lovely, just came down. It's going really fast. Right, let's go and find Kelly, get our stuff together. We're going to go back to the apartment, so we'll probably tell you all this in a minute. Pack some of our bags, we've got so much stuff that we need to get sort of like packed up. We're not going for a few days still, we've got 4 or 5 days I think left. But Kelly likes to get things organised, as you probably know. So yeah, gonna pack up from here and head back to the hotel room and leave this beautiful day today at Blizzard Beach. That was a double dipper. I went on at the beginning of the day.
Water park here.
This way.
Right, we're heading out now. Sun is going down. Time for us to head out.
Head back to the hotel room.
Yeah,
Do some
packing. We need to get some stuff packed up because it's everywhere. Yeah, then we haven't got to worry about it and we can just enjoy the last few days without having to think about the packing.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about it.
No, I don't have to worry about it. So yeah, so we're going to head back to the hotel and do that. Exciting times. There's a little platform here that you can sit on.
In the shade.
In the shade, yes. Lots of trees here.
Yeah, lots of shade in there.
Yeah, lots. If you've got a mobility scooter, you can get around as well, like that person there.
Yeah.
Quite
It's all flat.
good because it's all flat pathways.
Wheelchairs or whatever.
Yeah. Go. Very good for the disability access.
Yeah, they have access to all the, not all of them, but a lot of the rides you can get onto as well. Mobility access.
The little cabanas there.
You can hire.
You can hire out.
Polar patios available for rent today. They're quite nice, aren't they?
Yeah.
Nice in the summer when it's heated.
No one's been sat here today at all by the looks of it.
No.
I wouldn't say
Quite
anyone's
empty,
sat
I'd say,
there.
today, yeah.
Yeah.
No waits for any of the rides, which is really nice.
Mainly British people that are here
Yeah.
as well because it's Thanksgiving. I think a lot of British people come here because the parks are busy and it's warm for us, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's lovely still now, isn't it? Lovely with the sun going down over here, isn't it?
Yeah. So you can get all your food.
Lots of Water Lodge.
The main food place.
Yeah. So I got that tofu bar.
So we're going to make our way out
Yep.
and we'll pick the camera up later when we decide what we're doing after packing. See you then.
See you in a bit.
Good evening.
Hello.
We did our packing, didn't we?
Yeah.
It was what, took 2 hours?
2 hours, yeah.
About 2 hours.
But you're happy now, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm not stressing now because we managed to get everything in and it's underweight, so we've still got room for more,
Yeah.
which is good. And the room's tidier, isn't it?
Yeah,
Because there was stuff everywhere that we've been buying, and you just think, how are we ever going to get this home? But because we can take 4 cases home because we're going premium,
all the way home,
so
yeah.
we've got 4 cases. But yeah, we're happy, aren't we, that it's
Yeah.
done. So now we've come out for some food. We were going to BurgerFi, but it's shut early. So now we've come to Ikon Park, and we're going to try and find something to eat here.
Yeah.
So we did see something on the menu the other day.
Yeah.
A burger. So we're going to go there and see.
See if we can, yeah.
See if it's open. Yeah.
Because
so
a lot of
that's the
places
plan.
shut because it's Thanksgiving.
That's the plan.
Yeah.
Action.
We're going to see you in a minute.
So we've decided to come to Sloppy Joe's because they do a plant-based burger. So I'm getting a Key West colada.
And I'm getting a bottle of Bud Light. Gordon Ramsay's Fish and Chip Shop at Ikon Park. It's open.
Mad that he's got that here, isn't it?
Yeah. A lot shut.
There is, yeah. There's Thanksgiving in it, I think.
Yeah. Quite a lot of the sort of main restaurants are shut as well, aren't they?
Yeah.
Like big chain restaurants.
Yeah, they are. It's a good day because everyone gets a day off.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd say it's a bigger day than Christmas Day. So these, oh yeah. That's where we went earlier.
Sloppy Joe's.
Sloppy Joe's. What was your opinion of Sloppy Joe's burger?
Rubbish.
Rubbish.
Yeah, it's awful.
Bread was dry, wasn't it? Stale.
Stale. It's all falling apart.
The burger was alright, but then it's just a
Dry.
burger anyway.
No, I don't like it.
No,
Nah, not at
not
all.
worth the money.
No, nowhere near.
So we won't be going back there.
No, I don't think it was very good at all.
So we're going to make our way back to our lovely hotel room.
That we love.
Yes, that's the other thing that we love.
It stinks, the room. Like, really bad. Every time you go back, it's like,
Smell it, yeah. Good job I got a cold.
don't like it.
Right, so something else we're going to be going back to.
No.
I like see-through blues with lights on. They look quite cool. Right, so we're going home now.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.